Hey guys, today I'll teach you how you can make a free BlueWillow account. First of all, open Discord. You can use it for free by clicking the link in the description. Then you will have to click Explore Discoverable Servers. Type here BlueWillow and press enter. Then open the BlueWillow. Here you will have to go to this plus icon and add a server. Create my own. For club or community, for fan club or community, type here your server name and click on create. Now you'll have to go to BlueWillow, click on Rocky 24, press on BlueWillow icon, add to server, add your server name here, continue, authorize, click on I'm a human, wait for a few seconds. Now go to your server. You can write /imagine. Click on imagine. Add your prompt. Cat in nature. You can write whatever you want. Now you can see it have created images and it's completely free. You can upscale your images by clicking on U1. I'll click on U1. This is how you can make a free BlueWillow account. I'll give the link in the description. You can use it for free by clicking it. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.